Man, I'm so hungry.
No, dude, I'm starving.
I'm gonna go get something right
I
now.
think I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay.
What's up? Nah, I already ate, dude. I made a sandwich.
Really?
Yeah, I've been doing my schoolwork now.